90% of the New Year resolution fails in February. This is not something that I made up. These are the stats that we can find everywhere on the internet. But why does this happen? You know, you see multiple tweets in January. I'm gonna start CK this year. I'm gonna achieve CKD. I'll be Kubestronaut in 2026. But in February, things will start fading away. In March, you keep a pause on it. In June, Kubestronaut dream is almost gone. And by December, you will think like, okay, I'm gonna do my comeback next year. But why does it happen? Why do people struggle with the plans that they have made in January? It's not about the plan that they have made. It's not about that these engineers, these DevOps engineers, professionals, students are not brilliant enough. Absolutely not. That's not the case. But why does it happen? Is Kubernetes too hard? No. Are these engineers not smart enough? Definitely not. The real problem is how people approach Kubestronaut. They think it like, okay, I'm gonna clear CK, then CKD, then CKS, then this exam, and this exam, and it'll be done. But that's not the case with Kubestronaut. I mean, if you are new to Kubestronaut and if you have never heard about it, it's title that you get after completing all 5 Kubernetes exams. So CK, CKD, CKS, KCNA, and KCSA. So these are top 5 Kubernetes exams. So if you complete or if you pass all these exams, then you get the Kubestronaut title. And there are only 3000 plus candidates that have this title worldwide. I'm not talking about a country. Around the globe, there are only 3000 plus professionals with this title. Because it's not a piece of cake, not everyone can do that. And it needs a lot of dedication. It needs a system to be followed for quite a number of months, sometimes a year. And again, it's not everyone can do that. People think it's just 5 exams. I'll try hard, I'll study day and night, and I'll finish it. No big deal, right? But Kubestronaut is not an exam problem, it's a system problem. You need consistency for months, dedications, practice. You need accountability, feedback when required, someone who tracks your progress, and also someone who are in the same boat as you, so that if you are stuck somewhere, you can go and ask for help. When I say the easiest way to become Kubestronaut in 2026, what do I mean? Do I mean shortcut? I don't mean shortcut. I definitely don't mean cheating. And I don't mean leaked exam dumps. That's nonsense. I mean the easiest way of not doing it alone and not making decision every day about what to study next. Solution to all these problems is Code Cloud's new cohort. And thank you so much, Mumshad and team, for collaborating with me once again so that I can share this wonderful cohort with my community, with my viewers and subscriber, so that they can take the decision if this is the right path for them or not. I mean, it's not something that I am recommending from my side. I'm just sharing my views on it. And it's totally up to you whether you want to go for it or not. If you see value in it, definitely give it a try. And if you don't see a value, then definitely you can also learn from all the free resources that are available out there, right? No one's stopping you. But if you decide to go down that path, I'm going to tell you what would you get. So you would get access to the private Discord community where you can connect with thousands of like-minded professionals and learners who are pursuing the same goal as you. You can track your progress and see where you are in the leadership board based on the labs that you have completed, based on the tasks that you have completed, and so on. You can join Mumshad on YouTube live session and LinkedIn Q&A sessions bi-weekly to track and to do the check-in of your progress, and you will get access to all the resources at one place. The labs, the courses, the tutorials, videos, notes, everything at one place. So basically, it's not just another course, it's a learning experience built for people specifically who want to achieve all 5 certification with accountability, with dedication, and with consistency. And let me tell you why this would work. First, you don't have to worry about the roadmap. The plan is already there. You just have to execute it. You don't have to worry whether I should go with CK first or CKD first, or CKS first. You just have to follow the plan, and you just have to follow the step-by-step instructions given by you in the cohort, and you will be there with thousands of other learners as well. Second is accountability. Most of the people struggle with, okay, I want to study daily, I want to practice daily, but I don't feel motivated enough. But I don't feel that I should do it today. Maybe I'll start from tomorrow or from Monday. But when you see others are doing the same thing, when you see your name on the leadership board, it hits psychologically. Winning is the only option that you see, and quitting is quite uncomfortable, you see. And finally, the part that nobody talks about, which is the most underrated resource, and that is the community support. So you get access to private Discord where everyone is chasing the same goal with same energy, same enthusiasm. And let's say you are stuck on network policy, someone else is stuck too. Maybe you can help each other, or maybe that person already solved the issue that you are facing. They can help you. You are confused about CKS threat modeling. There's already a thread on it. You can just follow that and be done with it. That alone increases your chances of winning by quite a good margin, and it helps you boost your confidence and morale. CodeCloud produced hundreds of Kubestronaut alone in 2025. They aren't geniuses, they aren't Kubernetes gods, and they are not someone who has been born with this skill. They are normal engineers just like you who stopped doing this solo. Now, if you are already Kubestronaut, if you have already done 5 certification, why you want to stop there? Maybe you can go ahead with the next one, which is Golden Kubestronaut. Golden Kubestronaut is alone a beast of all the Linux Foundation certification. It has additional 10 certifications that you can achieve, that you can go for. And again, there is a cohort for Golden Kubestronaut as well, provided by CodeCloud. For this as well, you will get access to the dedicated Discord community. You get access to the leadership board. You can see your name over there and track your progress. You will be part of bi-weekly check-in progress by Mumshad, and you will also get all the resources that you were getting in Kubestronaut cohort, but this time for additional 10 certifications as well. But this is not where you would start. First, try to become a Kubestronaut, and if you are crazy enough, then go for Golden Kubestronaut. One more thing I'll quickly mention. A lot of engineers are now pairing Kubernetes with AI these days, because everything is running on Kubernetes. Your LM models, your AI LM training jobs, your applications, everything is running on Kubernetes. So it will be an extra added advantage if you learn AI along with Kubernetes as well. And for that, they are running an AI cohort for AWS certified AI practitioner exam. So if you want to position yourself for cloud, infra, and AI, there is a 90-day clean cohort plan for that as well. So you can have a look at that. I will share all the links in the description, so don't worry about it. And listen, if Kubernetes feels scary and Kubestronaut feels scary, then don't start from there. And obviously, it's not for beginners. You should have all the basic understanding of DevOps and basic understanding of Linux, networking, and few other technological stack, right? So if you're not there, there is no need to worry. You can still start with 100 days of DevOps, which will help you with filling all the gaps like Linux, Git, all the fundamentals, networking, CI/CD, and everything will be covered in this 100 days of DevOps bootcamp. Then you can come back to Kubestronaut if you want. Again, I wanted to say this, like, if you are tired of doing this alone, if you need someone to be accountable for you, if you want someone to create a step-by-step roadmap for you, then you can go ahead and join this program. All the links will be there in the description. Check it out and go for it if you are interested. If not, there are also free resources available. You can go with that as well. So that's it I wanted to share quickly in this video. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good, wonderful experience, and I hope you have a good year ahead. So thank you. Happy learning. I'll see you soon.